Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish na!
Ako na yung mag-wish na eh.
Ikaw. Okay, my wish to you is to have a baby before the end of the year. Okay. And you will get married after 1 year. And you will be staying here for another 10 years. Okay, and because of that, you receive a gift from me. Yeah.
Banana?
No, not
banana. Saging.
not the banana. Yes. So, what can you say?
Thank
Now,
you so
ano
much.
masasabi?